Hi guys, do you know Zaatar bagels? Today I am going to make it. Let's see how to make it. If you haven't subscribed to me yet, keep it subscribe. Well then, let's get started. Add flour 1 kilogram. Add salt 20 grams. Add dry yeast 25 grams. Corn oil 4 grams. Mix little. Add water 600 grams. Knead for 8 minutes. Shape into a bowl and keep covered for 30 minutes. Use the rolling pin to make it thin. You can see how thin it is. I use a slightly larger ring to cut each one. You can cut this with the ring of your desired size. Sprinkle some water. Put the water-stained side on the zaatar powder and spread it. Take a small cutter and cut out the middle. Heat the oven to 250. Reduce the heat of the oven to 200 when baking. Steam once and bake for 8 minutes. Zaatar bagels is ready. Thanks for watching.